Dear Professor, my name is RENHUAAO. My metric number is 222.02285. I will discuss the outcome of my paper, Yangzhou Tourism Economic Impact Analysis. My paper includes 5 chapters. Chapter 1 is Introduction. Chapter 2 is Literature Review. Chapter 3 is Research Methodology. Chapter 4 is Data Analysis. And Chapter 5 is Discussion and Conclusion. Here is the introduction. Yangzhou is a historical and cultural city known for its scenic spots and Huaiyang scene. In 2019, it was awarded the title of Creative City of Gastronomy by UNESCO. Driven by digital technology, Yangzhou's tourism industry plays a vital role in its economic development. With more than 2,000 years of history and important cultural heritage, Yangzhou's strategic location at the confluence of the Yangtze River and the Grand Channel made it an important hub in Chinese history. As of 2023, Yangzhou covers an area of 6,591.21 square kilometers, has a population of 4.585 million, making it a popular and livable tourist destination. I have selected a selection of important lecture reviews as follows. A study by Barkas indicates that COVID-19 has severely impacted the global tourism industry, leading governments to implement policies such as financial support through loans and tax deferrals to mitigate economic downturns. Wang and his team found that motivational factors like leisure and exploration positively influence satisfaction and travel intention during COVID-19, underscoring the need to balance exploration needs with perceived risks and policy restrictions. According to Law and his team, customer loyalty at no-heritage tourism attractions in Dongguan Street, Yangzhou, is notably high, suggesting implications for business strategies and future tourism policies. The research methods of this study include data collection, sparse analysis, and so on. The research process is as follows. First, I used some websites and academic databases to conduct extensive searches for relevant literature on tourism, Yangzhou tourism research, and the impact of COVID-19 on the tourism industry. The data collection for this article is mainly through the search of official websites of the National Bureau of Statistics of China, the search of the Jiangsu Provincial Statistical Yearbook, and the search and the collection of Yangzhou tourism-related data required for this article. Chapter 4. Data Analysis. We can see the approximate tourism data of Yangzhou City from 2016 to 2022, and we can see that there is a significant decline in the data in 2020. The table 1 is a correlation analysis table between domestic tourism revenue and the number of domestic tourists. The Pearson correlation coefficient is 0.96, indicating that there is a strong positive correlation between the two. The p-value between domestic tourism revenue and the number of domestic tourists is less than 0.01, indicating that the correlation between the two is statistically significant. The table 2, in which the Pearson correlation coefficient is 0.611, indicating that there is a moderate positive correlation between the two variables. This means that as the number of overseas tourists received increases. Foreign exchange earnings also tend to increase. I present two main tables to explain the result of the moderation effect. The table 1 is a model summary table, showing the main statistics of the regression exercise. The R value is 0.978, which represents the correlation coefficient, reflecting the strong positive correlation between the independent variable and the dependent variable. The R-squared value is 0.956. The adjusted R-squared value is 0.934. The significance value of the F value change is 0.002. This table shows that the regression model has a strong explanatory power for the dependent variable. This table 2 is the coefficient table of regression exercise. In January, year has no significant effect on earnings from domestic tourism, indicating that the year itself has no significant direct effect on revenue. Interaction has a significant effect on earnings from domestic tourism, indicating that the interaction is significant. Although year has no significant direct effect on earnings from domestic tourism, interaction has a significant positive effect on earnings from domestic tourism. The year acts as a significant moderating variable, while it does not directly affect earnings. It alters the impact of the number of domestic visitors on earnings, suggesting that external factors like policies, economic conditions, and market trends in different years influence this relationship. This highlights the importance of considering temporary factors when analyzing tourism data. The result supports the hypothesis that the year has a significant moderating effect on the relationship between domestic tourist numbers and the domestic tourism revenue. So all the three hypotheses are all supported. Finally, Chapter 5, Discussion and the Conclusion. The small sample size of this study has a certain impact on the research results, so there are limitations. Further research should collect more relevant data. The prospects of Yande's tourism industry include strategic, urban planning, industrial optimization, market positioning, and the use of various media to expand tourism promotion. Suggestions include strengthening tourism management and cultivating tourism derivative industries. It is crucial to enhance Yande's tourism image, infrastructure, and service functions, especially transportation, optimizing the industrial structure, and increasing government financial support for the tourism industry. Finally, paying attention to residents' living standards and the social and environmental benefits is essential for sustainable development and economic growth. That's all. Thanks for watching.